Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can start or enable the Pomodoro feature in the TickTick application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to your account on TickTick, and before you can launch the Pomodoro feature, make sure that it is activated. So to do that, you will need to click into your profile icon in the top left to navigate to your settings. Here inside your settings, click into features, and next to Pomodoro, make sure that is enabled, right? Because that will add it here to that left sidebar. You can close your settings. After that, reload TickTick, and then click into the Pomodoro here and start it by clicking into this button. You can also use a stopwatch here, start the focus mode, or here on the right hand side, click into these three dots to access your Pomodoro statistics. You can also customize the timer. For example, switch the Pomodoro to, let's say, I don't know, an hour or 55 minutes. Give it a name. Pomodoro 1 or something like that. Click into save. And then use that one here, right? And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time.